Hi, this is Steve from MyCaseBuilder. Welcome to the side-by-side comparison between the Pelican 1510 and the Nanuk 935. There's a lot of similarities between these two cases. There are also some differences as well. So we're going to go through all of those right now. We'll start all the way at the bottom with the wheel comparison. The Pelican wheel is a flat plastic wheel that's good for stability on flat surfaces. The Nanuk wheel is a skate-style wheel, a little rubberized, so it's great for multi-surface terrain. Now moving on to the handle, where there's some big differences. The Nanuk case has a push-button handle, lifts straight out, nice and easy. Pelican case has this pull-out here. It's kind of a two-handed operation. Now let's look at the latches between the two cases. So the Pelican has their standard latches, which is a two-phase latch. You push it down, and then snaps into place just like that. It takes a little bit of force. In the Nanuk case, it uses their power claw system. So this gives you a nice push button up and over latch, still gives you that positive closure. They also both include reinforced padlock holes. Now let's move on to the handles. Pelican has a really nice handle. It's on the wide side, so perfect if you have gloved hands. Really strong, durable. Nanuk as well. A little bit shallower here. Got the rubber insert to make it comfortable, and it snaps into place. Also a big difference is this top handle. You can see on the Pelican, it doesn't stay flat, but on the Nanuk, it just comes right down like that. Now let's take a look at the inside of these two cases. As you open up the Nanuk case, you'll see the mounting points, and inside you'll see the wheel well protrusions and also your handle well protrusion. The Pelican case has the same mounting points, and you'll see that the wheel protrusions are a little bit different. The Pelican 1510 and the Nanuk 935 are very similar cases. They both have the same size, the same weight, but they do have some other differences as we've shown in your latches, your wheels, your handles, but also the aesthetics. The Nanuk case is going to be a little bit more sleek. It's going to have a really nice finish. Pelican is going to be a little more industrial looking, heavy duty looking. In addition to the 1510, Pelican also offers the Pelican Air 1535. It's the same size as these two cases, but 3 pounds lighter. If you already own a Pelican 1510 or a Nanuk 935, you can design your own custom foam at mycasebuilder.com. Or if you need a new case, we can provide that for you as well.